kurwega gwetera enchera yekerera OMOTANDAO omanyekere buna eCitizen igo gwikera bono Obokoreri bwekerengo kiechilifu yemerongo ebere na ibere wanganyiwe na kurwegwa gwetera enchera yekerero korengano muriki omonene we wizara y'oburendi bwa imerembo nomolo nigo aenekiri buna nige serikali buna Chinchera yekerero Gotumeka chire korengana neri chiko inse yekengise ya Computer Misuse and Cyber Crimes Act.
And over the last 4 years, the Ministry of Interior and National Administration has made significant progress in building some of these structures, building the capacity of our personnel, financing and coordinating mechanisms that are needed to strengthen our information and cybersecurity posture. We have reinforced the legal and institutional framework for cybersecurity through the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Act and the operational role that the National Computer and Cybercrimes Coordinating Committee continues to undertake. It has provided a national coordination mechanism for detection, investigation, and response to information and cyber threats. In practical terms, the NC4 serves as a one-stop coordinating point where incidents can be reported and where the relevant member institutions or agencies can be able to provide support. Some of these agencies include the National Police Service, the National Intelligence Service, the Kenya Defense Forces, Communications Authority of Kenya, the Office of Data Protection Commissioner, and the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. eCitizen platform, for example, tells this story much clearly. What began as an online access point for selected government services has become the backbone of our digital public service delivery architecture. Today, it hosts more than 22,000 government services, serving more than 15 million users and processing approximately half a million transactions daily, with close to 1 billion generated each day. Also seeing a major digital revolution in the health sector, including the digitization of the health records. We now have the Digital Health Authority. Of course, we have the Social Health Authority, which is supporting the transformation in our healthcare. This transformation is improving convenience for citizens, expanding access to services, and strengthening revenue visibility. That now we have a lot of access and view of our revenue and even the resources. That we may not say it as much, but is also helping us to deal with the challenge of corruption.
Ase ensemo yende omu administrator